If you need to transfer a domain away from Hostinger, one of the first things you'll need is the authorization code, also called the EPP code. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the authorization code on Hostinger in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and important process, and once you know where to look, it only takes a minute or two. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, go to hostinger.com and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the top or left side menu and click on Domains. This will take you to a list of all the domain names connected to your account. Find the domain you want to transfer and then click the Manage button next to it. Now you should be on the Domain Overview page. On this page, stay in the Domain Overview tab and scroll down until you find the Authorization Code section. Depending on your account view, it may also be labeled EPP code. The code is usually hidden for security, so look for the eye icon right next to it. Click that eye icon to reveal the authorization code. Once the code appears, copy it exactly as shown. Make sure you include every letter, number, and special character, because even a small mistake can cause the transfer to fail. Before you leave this page, it's also a good idea to check the domain lock setting. If your domain is locked, the transfer may not go through, so make sure domain lock is turned off in the same management area. That's the key step many people miss when they're preparing a domain transfer. After that, you can paste the authorization code into your new Registrar's transfer form and continue with the transfer process. And that's it. You've now learned how to get the authorization code on Hostinger and prepare your domain for transfer. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.